So we knew we weren't going to do anything this morning because we ran into green wheat yesterday. So I've started to do some paperwork that's been put on hold, and then we went and had a late breakfast, lunch, brunch, whatever, and now we're getting some fuel. Jim's going to head out to the field later, and I'm going to stick around the trailer house and maybe get to hang out with some of the friends that are there. The old district of Hardin. So this is what we do on days off when we can. Get together and have fun. That's super good work. Yeah.